Hello everyone, this is Raj. Today I'm here to share a message with my friends and tell the story behind lockdown and make you know that we have been facing problem in this lockdown and we have been learning different things at home during this lockdown. In the starting of lockdown, I was not happy, I was not excited to have this moment for the long time, but we have been having this moment due to coronavirus disease. During this lockdown, I'm learning sketching and creating cards for my poems. And I have been learning English from YouTube and I'm developing my skills which will keep helping me a lot. So I am thinking that I have been doing everything at home. So why shouldn't it be said with you? So I got to have the supporting role of my friends and I got to have feedback of my friends about lockdown. So I wanna share with you and I am making you sure that you will be thinking and you will be having this moment to think that we can do everything at home. So stay safe and let's see.
In this lockdown, I am using my all skills in every possible way, and I am spending it lavishly with my family members. Like I am giving dance and English spoken lessons to kids, and I took stitching lessons from my bhabi, and I cooked so many dishes and desserts by using YouTube.
My friend asked me that what problems I faced in this lockdown. So I would like to tell you that I didn't face any problem yet, but I faced problem of wandering with my friends outside of my home, and I learned so much from this lockdown. Stay home, stay safe.
Due to coronavirus, there is lockdown in our country, but according to me, it has also benefited a lot. Our nature has improved a lot. We are at home, but it does not mean that we can't do some work we see and be perfect in our work, which is weak. So do not waste time. Stay home and learn at home.
I have been taking online classes and I have been learning new things in Max, and I watch Mahabharat and we all are watching Mahabharat nowadays and we are learning about life. Same, I learned many new things about life.
I am learning many things in cooking. Like I have learned that how to make water balls, pie, and ice cream.
In lockdown days, I have learned so many things, and I learned some new method to design mehendi and other work from home in our lives. And also want to like to thank in last Mr. Raj to.
In this lockdown, I got so many time and I'm doing all the things. Now I'm learning new things. I'm doing study and so many work. I don't like to cook, but in this lockdown, I'm doing cooking also.
Hello everybody. Due to lockdown and due to corona, we have been in our houses. So I'm giving actions to my body and I'm trying to invest my time to learn something from YouTube, from books, and by motivation.
I learned that how to do data entry and how to make certificates, result and logo.
Hey guys, many people think about this lockdown that we are stuck at home, but I just want to tell them that no, we are not stuck at home, we are safe at home. And I think we should learn many things from this current situation, and we have to fight against this coronavirus together, and we should have positivity about this. And in the last, I can say that no, stay safe and stay home, guys.
Hi guys, learn at home. Try to invest your time for learning. I also try to do, but at home.
Lockdown, and I am doing my work on time. But you know, guys, I am feeling safe because I stay.
I have good experience of lockdown because I have learned many things like new vocabularies, digital marketing, social investing.
Because of air pollution, water pollution and noise pollution, that balance was getting disturbed. But now all pollutions have got vanished and people have learned cleanliness, people have learned to adjust in every condition, and people have learned to be with their family.
Hello guys, I enjoy lockdown. I face problem but I don't care.
During the lockdown, I got to know one thing that what are the things, what are the steps we can achieve our goal. So I found that steps and I'm still working.
I did not waste this time. I know. Learn to use social media properly. Make a habit of learn new things every day. Main key factor I learned, being busy with your interest.
So guys, I hope you got to know something that many things are done at home. So we can do that. We can do everything at home, and we have to understand our responsibility to save many lives of people and support our country, our city, our society, and follow the guidelines of government to save, to support, to know that it is our responsibility.
Do the best you can where you are with what you have. Thank you.